Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna work on this thing some more. See what we can come up with. Come on, baby. Come on. Wish I had a drill. And it still don't go through. Oh, there we go. Alright, where do you go? Alright. Now, hello?
Y'all kick back and relaxing?
Oh yeah.
I hear you, buddy. Watching it snow, huh?
Yep.
Is that where you at? It sounds like you got an echo.
I got you on speakerphone
Oh, okay.
because I'm trying to put some epoxy in this
Oh, it's bomb.
vase.
I'll tell you what, buddy. I don't understand where people say this stuff don't taste good. Really, I mean,
That's because you got the good stuff.
all I got was Miralax powder.
Right.
Mixed it with Glacier Cherry Zero Gatorade. It was white,
Right?
clear, whatever. That was it.
Oh, man.
Most people, oh my word, my mom especially, my mom, that stuff like drinking.
Drano.
But I don't get it. I don't get it.
Oh. Maybe you got COVID and your taste buds are dead.
I guess. Well, I hear, oh man, so all it is snow. How much have you gotten? Have you gotten any accumulate?
About 3 inches so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's kind of wild, ain't it?
No, it sucks.
Well, I can let you go. I don't want to mess you up with what you're doing there.
You already did. No,
I
I was putzing around with something else a while ago trying to come up with an idea. Yeah, shit, that got hard already. You gotta mix up some more. No biggie. I was trying to make a wedge to go in the other side to fill in that slot. And I got busy doing that and forgot about my stuff sitting there getting hard.
You need 2 people.
Well, no, I just need to focus on what I'm doing here.
Do one at a time.
Right, do it in order. But
Right.
I can mix up some mo.
There you go.
No biggie. If I don't run out, we'll be in good shape.
There you go. You got bracing them for a cold weekend, huh?
Cold week, they say now it's gonna be cold all next week.
Right. We'll be down in the digits for sure. Minus digits.
Minus. Well, the temperature's gonna be around 0 all from Sunday all the way to Thursday. So we'll see.
Well, you'll get, I mean, I don't know how you get used to it, but
There
I
goes
think
my
when
heater.
it gets up to 20, you'll think you got time for something.
Well, I came home today. Cammy had the front screen door open.
I hear you.
Well, it was 45 degrees.
Right.
And I said,
It's saying 45. I mean, first of all,
yeah, it dropped down in the last hour. Yeah. Whenever Tammy gets an opportunity, buddy, to air it out, she does it.
Well, ain't no doubt. I think it's still straightened out before.
She don't like it when it's all stuffy.
Right. I hear you. Well, I guess the hardest part is
Y'all pooped out, huh? Yeah, you're gonna be on video.
on video.
Yeah.
Hope we don't hear that.
Yeah, the fellow that you guys hear on the other end, that's my brother Jason. I'm sure everything will be just fine tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that sounded like I was being, but I wasn't really being.
Man, this ain't setting up quick like the other side did. I don't know why. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the video camera. That's the end of her. I'm done. I just gotta hollow it out now. And don't know how I'm gonna do that. Where did that big phosphor thing go? Oh, what do you know? I put it away. That's something. Don't tell my wife. She'll pass out from shock. Me putting something away. All right. One way to start a fire. This has got to be sharpened. Or maybe not. Oh, I saw it. This is where I hit the saw. All right, everybody. Whoops, I gotta back that baby off a little bit. There. All right. Bring up my viewfinder so I can see what we're looking at. Unknown wood that blew apart when I was initially turning it, and I figured I got some experimental epoxy that I would try and see if I could piece it back together. And you can see right there where it cracked all the way down, and the epoxy filled it up nice. It's got a epoxy in the inside. It looks really good. So I don't have a clue what you'd call this thing, but I like it. I think that'll look good sitting on the bookshelf. All right, everybody, my name's Kevin. Purple and wood vase with a lightning storm. And that's all we got. All right, bye-bye. See you next week, maybe.